How to put the same song on multiple Instagram stories. What is up guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily put the same song on multiple Instagram stories. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to our channel. Let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your Instagram and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now in order to add your story, you just have to tap on this plus icon at the bottom. Once you tap on it, you will be taken directly to your gallery. So from here, you just want to go ahead and start a new video. Go ahead and tap on the story section. And from here, you just have to select all of your photos and videos. And from here, you just want to tap on the select option to select multiple stories and tap on next. So if you want to create a layout, you can do that, or if you want to post it separately, you can do that as well. So once you get here, you just have to tap on this music icon and choose a song that you want to play. So I'm just gonna play this one right here. And once you play your song, just remember where it ends right here. And from there, you just want to tap on done. Go ahead and tap on the other story, choose the same song, and right where it ends, you just want to slide it like this so that it continues from your next story. And then tap on done again, tap on the next one, and do the same for your last as well. So I'm just going to do that. Tap on the song and tap on your other choose your song, slide it like this and slide it again so it continues from there. And once you do that, tap on done and you're good to go. Just tap on next and share it to your story. So that's how you add same song on multiple Instagram stories. It's quite straightforward. If you found it helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys next time.